What's on? And welcome back. Thank you very much for joining me again. We're just about entering week 12 of lockdown now, just beginning to come out of things, which means we can travel a little bit more, even more than last time. I've been able to get a little bit more sailing in, had plenty of family around, lots of friends, which has been great. Been able to go canoeing, done a little bit more walking. I'm up to about 275, 280 miles worth of walking now since lockdown began. Most of it has been around Falmouth and sort of walking from the boat, but now we can just spread our wings a little bit more. Been able to go to the north coast, south coast, seen loads of chough, which has been fantastic, and even heard a cuckoo this week, or a young cuckoo sort of in a nest going nuts, which has been superb. So I'm just on my way for my morning swim. I'm going to go and have that. I'll let you watch the video and I'll catch you at the end. Thank you very much.
I don't actually really know how to paddle, so
That's right. I'll do the steering and stuff. So that was quite funny. They turned up as just the two. Cheers.
Cheers.
You got the helm there? Who's the king, is it Sam? Well, thank you for watching again. Hope you've enjoyed it. This is certainly a good way to start the day. Having that as my morning exercise. As I said, hope you've enjoyed. Hope everyone's kept safe. Hope you're all managing to get out and about a little bit more now. And the weather's looking a bit more settled and a bit fair for the next week or two. So hopefully get out, do a bit more sailing, show you a bit more of the boat, which will be really nice, which is what I actually set out for doing in the first place. Look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.